Imagine waking up to a perfectly preheated home, controlling your lights with just your voice, and adjusting your thermostat from halfway across the world. Sounds expensive, right? What if I told you, you can have all of this for less than the cost of a new smartphone? Welcome to your ultimate 2025 budget smart home guide. Let's show you exactly how to turn your home into a smart one without emptying your wallet. So, what exactly is a smart home? Simply put, it's a living space where your everyday devices like lights, plugs, thermostats, and cameras can communicate with each other and with you. All controlled from your phone or your voice. The benefits: convenience, because your house responds to your needs; efficiency, because smart tech saves energy; and security, because you're always in control even when you're away. Smart home tech usually falls into a few major categories: lighting, security, climate control, and entertainment. And when these devices work together, your home becomes more than just smart. It becomes intuitive. Now let's talk budget. 2025 has brought us some amazing, affordable smart devices. If you're just getting started, here are some of the best budget-friendly picks and exactly what you can do with them. 1. Kasa Smart Plug by TP-Link. Plug this into your wall socket, then plug in anything from a lamp to a coffee maker. With the Kasa app or your voice assistant, you can turn that device on or off, even when you're not home. You can find this on Amazon at an affordable price, usually under $25. 2. Wyze Cam V4. A powerful smart security camera with motion alerts, night vision, and two-way audio. Perfect for watching over your kids, pets, or front door. Also available on Amazon and still under budget. 3. Amazon Echo Pop or Google Nest Mini. These voice-controlled smart speakers act as your home's control hub. Use them to play music, control devices, check the weather, or even set reminders. They are affordable, easy to set up, and can be purchased directly from Amazon. 4. Govee Smart Lights. Add color, mood, and automation to your space. Whether it's strip lights behind your TV or bulbs that change with music, Govee lights are fun, affordable, and easy to install. You'll find a wide range of options on Amazon as well. Before buying, ask yourself, what do I want to automate first? Do I prefer voice control or app only? Will this work with Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple? 2. Go DIY. Most smart devices are plug and play and set up in just minutes with a phone app. You don't need an installer or electrician. 3. Repurpose old devices. Got an old tablet? Turn it into a smart home dashboard. Mount it in the kitchen or hallway for a control center. Focus on what adds real value to your life, like automating lights, controlling a fan remotely, or getting a motion alert at your front door. Don't waste money on a smart toaster if all you eat is cereal. A smart home also needs to be a secure home. That's where devices like the Wyze Cam V4 shine. It gives you real-time video monitoring, night vision, and remote viewing from your phone. You'll want to make sure your smart network protected too. Use strong Wi-Fi passwords. Keep all device firmware updated. Enable two-factor authentication on your accounts. And when shopping for devices, look for ones that support motion detection, encryption, and secure cloud storage.
What's coming next in smart homes? Smart homes are getting smarter and more affordable. Matter Protocol is making it easier for devices from different brands to work together smoothly. AI-powered automation is learning your habits and adjusting your home settings to match your daily routine. Solar-powered smart gadgets are helping you save on energy bills while protecting the environment. Very soon, your home could automatically adjust the lights, temperature, and even music based on your mood, the weather, and your schedule. Smart homes are quickly becoming more powerful, more personal, and more accessible for everyone. So there you have it. Creating a smart home doesn't have to break the bank. With just a few affordable gadgets like the Kasa Smart Plug, Wyze Cam, or Govee lights, you can start making your home more convenient, efficient, and secure one step at a time. Start small, stay smart, and build your setup as your needs grow. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We've got plenty more budget-friendly tech tips on the way. Drop a comment. Which smart device are you starting with? And yes, every product mentioned is available on Amazon, so feel free to check them out. Thanks for watching, and welcome to your smarter, more connected home.